how to fix high ping and packet lost in CS2. Now, the troubleshooting steps that we are going to do is specifically for our network connections. Now, the very first thing that you will do is just go to your Windows search and just simply type in network connections. So just click on view network connections and you will then be redirected to your current internet connection. Now choose on the Wi-Fi that you're currently connected with, right click on it and go to properties. Now from here, just choose on Internet Protocol version 4, double click, and then make sure that you are currently set as use the following DNS server addresses. And on the first field, just simply type in 8888, and on the second part is going to be 8844. You click on OK, and just try to refresh everything from your end. Now, our last resort is to do commands from the CMD. Just go to the Windows icon and type in CMD. Right click on CMD and then just click Run as an administrator. Click on Yes. Now you'll just have to follow these commands right here. So this is the first command. Just copy it and then paste it here. Click on Enter. Then once successfully flushed and DNS resolve our cache, and go to the second part, paste it, enter. Now it says that we must restart the PC for us to be able to complete the reset. Now just restart your PC, and then once your PC is up, just re-pull up or access the CMD again, and then just type in the last command, which is going to be the ipconfig space / renew. Click on enter, and you'll just have to refresh everything all at once again. So those are the troubleshooting steps and how you can fix high ping and packet loss in CS2.